Prime Minister is celebrating today. A lot of.
I wish him a very, very happy birthday, good health, and I'm sure he'll have all the energy to serve the nation.
Ma'am, Marathi you spoke about is what do you like most about
I
him?
think the whole thing is that he is somebody who's created himself with a lot of hard work and passion from zero. So I think we must compliment him for that. And I think what really I feel he has been consistent about is when he makes sure that his MPs attend Parliament. There is good debate in Parliament. They must sit in Parliament. They must attend Parliament. So that discipline that he keeps guiding everybody about is very special for
You
me.
also spoke about GST.
No, I think the GST decision needs some more clarity because there are some issues regarding technology refund. So, and I think the whole idea of the GST was one nation, one tax. So even now to have so many brackets, I'm not sure if it's the right way forward. But something's better than nothing. So this improvement is something we welcome. But more needs to be done.
Last question, you have been very vocal about tariff issues with the US, and now the trade talks are on positive notes. Both sides are saying this.
No, trade talks is something we need to resolve. It's very important in geopolitics. All our neighbors, we are seeing how much instability in our continent. And then this tariff issue. I think we need to use our best foot, our best team, call all the leaders in India who could be sitting on any side of the fence or the bench. Doesn't matter, but in the larger interest of India, I think this tariff issue needs to be resolved. सारी चीज़ें एक दूसरे के लिए अरे हम विरोधक होने चाहिए लेकिन जन्मदिन और अच्छे दिन में सब एक दूसरे को शुभकामनाएं देनी चाहिए.